Hey guys, Praveen here, and today we are going to look at state of React 2024. React, for those who don't know, is a front-end framework, and it's the one that I use for all my websites. So uh, it's great to see state of React thing for that. And yeah, let's just jump right in. So this has been a year of consolidation for React, with the community still reeling from the introduction of React server components. The lack of any major breaking changes are very welcome. Yeah, React 19 was amazing. It made a lot of things straightforward, and yeah, React Server Components is also great. I've been using it with Next.js for a while now, and it's great. So yeah, let's just jump right in. Asia demographics. Still, USA is number one. India is number 10. That's good, I guess. And 30 to 39. That's expected. Age, years of experience. 5 to 9 is 34%. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's go to the features, I guess. Um, so this is all features. Use state is 50% used it, 45% used it, and didn't pick any sentiment, and 1.26 had negative. Use state is good. Use effect is what I would put in negative, and fragment is good. Use ref is good. Use memo. I don't think we need to use memo anymore because of the great React compiler and the memo too. Yeah, these are all very expected things. Main API pain point for ref is okay. Forward ref is always a pain, especially in command memo. Okay, yeah, but it's gone. Memo, it's also probably don't use it, need to use it that much. Act, I know, I never used act. Check mode is good, but yeah, context API. Okay, these are all pain points. Yeah, I agree with most of these things. Hooks pain points. Use effect. It's a pain. Yeah, I guess so. Okay. React server components. New API pain point. Really? React server component? Why? Okay. Terribly to actually implement more different structuring. Okay. Too much focus on all this. Okay. Yeah, maybe I guess so. Yeah, form issues is there. Next.js issues is there. Yeah, everything else. But I don't know. I like React server components. Reading list React cache. Okay. Yeah, actually, I have to learn about React Cache because Next.js has it, so that makes it easy to use React Cache. But I have to read up on that. Yeah, these are all good. Now let's get to the fun stuff. The libraries. Use state this library. Okay. Fetch creator access Next.js. Next.js is 33% used it and 11% negative. 34% used it and did not pick any sentiment. Never heard of it really. Okay, that's good. Shatsi anyway is in 10th place. I use it. I use Shatsi anyway for all my projects. So yeah, it has been transformative for all my apps too. And people have never heard of it. Oh, okay. Yeah, this all good. Component libraries, Astros here, Redux. Okay, Tanstack start. People have been loving Tanstack start. I have to check it out, but yeah, it looks like Next.js, but yeah, I do have to check that out. Other tools, testing libraries. Yeah, I've used Whitetest before, nothing else. Bun is also in your testing library now. Okay, I've used Whitetest only before. React Renders, React Native. Yeah, I've used Expo, which is good. And yeah, Zod is obviously number one. That's good. All my projects I use Clerk. Is the best hosted service. But we have Bedroth now, which I don't see it here. Yeah, we have Bedroth, which is also a better. self-hosted auth service. Mobile development or is here. React Native is obviously first with Expo and other front-end frameworks. Angular is still number one. I can't believe that. But everyone in my uh, developer enterprise developer friends use Angular, so I'm not surprised. And usage web apps is 97%. Wow. Static sites 49%. Design systems mobile apps 35%. And desktop apps 21%. We have to improve the desktop apps ratio. And everyone's still in 18. What really? Only 15 people are in 19. Okay. And professionally, as a hobby, student 3%. Yeah, they will use it professionally, I guess. And single page application is 85%. Really, people are not using Next.js for this. Yeah, I use static site and single page. I have not used single page application. I've been trying to use Remix SPA mode, but yeah, um, Next.js and Vercel makes it everything easier. So I probably use server side rendering for all my pages and posture iteration also. The compiler is amazing. So I can see uptick of performance in my apps when I turn on the compiler. So yeah, that's been amazing. React server components also great for um, just having everything in one file. Yeah, Next.js issues is also again a pain point. Yeah, so most of the things that we have already known. That the only thing is that's different is these construct start libraries that I have to check. Astro is again a good library. Remix, which is React router again now, so I have to check that also. And I've been using Astro for a while, so that's good. Um, yeah, Shatsi anyway. I'll put this in 100 me if I can. It's like the best everything. React app is deprecated now. Yeah, that's it. So that's the state of the 2024, I guess. So maybe I'll see you next year. Bye bye.